We're visiting the Newtown Creek Nature Walk in Greenpoint, Brooklyn today. While this used to be an industrial area, it is now mostly residential with a number of film studios like Cinema World and Broadway Stages. Broadway Stages partnered with city and local organizations to create a number of green roof parks on top of their sound stages, including Kingsland Wildflower Green Roof, which was funded in part by the settlement paid by ExxonMobil as penalty for the Greenpoint oil spill. Now we're going to pass this rock with the Department of Environmental Protection logo on it. That's how you know you're going in the right direction. So we're going to follow the road to where it dead ends.
Greenpoint, Brooklyn.
This urban oasis is more well kept than the places we normally visit. It opened in 2007 and is still a hidden gem. Maybe that is because it's near the waste treatment plant in Greenpoint. These plants, native to the area, clean the air or cover up the smell. Or maybe we just get lucky with timing in the air and the way the wind's blowing. Either way, we've never noticed a smell. Now let's check out the rest of the park. As we approach, you can see Long Island City across the water. We recommend checking out the videos on YouTube with George Trackus, the landscape architect behind this beautiful park, talking about his plans. Click the link in the description. Throughout the park are these signs celebrating the history of the space with the original Native American names for the plants, sea life, and streets. Let's check out the water. It looks like the tide is just starting to rise. If you time your visit right, you can view the mussels and the little triangle cutouts in the steps. Let's take a look. It's a little overcast today. It looks like we timed our trip right. Usually there's a few more people hanging out here, walking their dogs. Let's check out the rest of the park. Here's a map of the streets, then and now. Let's get a closer look at these planters along the edge of the wall. There's a boat docked here this morning. Hey, what are we doing for Valentine's Day?
It's only July.
Right, but I heard the Newtown Creek waste plant gives a tour.
For Valentine's Day.
Last year, the ticket sold out in 20 minutes.
For the sewage plant on Valentine's Day?
Yes, on Valentine's Day. They even light up the digester eggs red.
Well, ain't that romantic?
This is part of the expansion project that will connect the east side of the creek to Kingsland Avenue. That is the Port Richmond, one of the sludge vessels. It'll transport the sludge to a dewatering facility where it'll become compost, among other things. And as we leave, there's a great view of the Empire State Building. At the end of Provost, turn left onto Greenpoint Avenue, where you'll spot the Newtown Creek Visitor Center. They offer educational tours and events throughout the year.